Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea in an electric kettle. First, choose your favorite tea, whether it's a robust black tea, a delicate green tea, or a soothing herbal blend. Next, fill your electric kettle with fresh, cold water, ensuring it's below the maximum fill line. Then, heat the water to the precise temperature recommended for your specific tea type, which is crucial for optimal flavor extraction. Once your water is heated, place your tea bag or a loose-leaf infuser into your favorite mug. Carefully pour the hot water over the tea, making sure it's fully submerged to allow the flavors to develop properly. Now, let your tea steep for the recommended time. This usually ranges from 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the tea type and your desired strength. Don't rush this step. It's key to a great cup. After the steeping time is complete, carefully remove the tea bag or infuser from your mug. Be sure to gently squeeze any excess liquid from the tea bag for maximum flavor. Now, personalize your tea. You can add milk, sugar, honey, or a slice of lemon, according to your preference. Take a moment to savor the aroma before enjoying your perfectly brewed, warm cup of tea. It's a simple pleasure. To truly enhance your tea experience, always use filtered water. This prevents any off flavors from tap water and allows the true essence of your tea to shine through. Another great tip is to pre-warm your mug with a splash of hot water before brewing. This helps keep your tea hotter for longer. For those looking to deepen their understanding of personal finance, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money. Along with other great deals, enjoy your next cup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.